Day 56 of through hiking the Arizona Trail. And today I'm trying to do 23 miles so that I get positioned right there at South Kaibab Trailhead. My permit to go into the Grand Canyon is tomorrow, Sunday, May 11th. So I'm trying to slack pack this big chunk to finish it off before I have to put my full backpacking gear back on, because it's the 70-mile section coming up where Dennis is unable to pick me up. So I'll have my full kit back with me going into the canyon. So this is what she's looking like. The trail in this section is kind of wacky. It's taken me away from the Grand Canyon and back down to 2CN, and then it'll swing me back up to the South Rim. So it's pretty much 23 miles of nonsense.